Hi, I'm Ron with AnywhereCam, and today I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Eagle 4G camera to the app. Step 1 is to connect your camera to the solar panel. After that, attach the power cable to the solar panel.
Welcome, and thanks for choosing camera. Initializing camera, please wait. Camera is now connected to internet. Please follow the in-app instruction to add the camera to your account.
Once the camera says it is ready to add, in your app you have a blue tab that says Add Device. You want to click that. In the top right corner you have a box with a line in the middle of it. You want to click that. It will turn on your camera. From there you want to scan your QR code.
Camera is successfully added to your account.
At that point, we are now connected to the internet. Phone is connected to the app, and you should be able to see your live view.